Hi everyone, my name is Rosa. My name's Lamar. Boy oh boy, thanks for letting me come to your house and play, Rosa. Yeah, I love having playtime. It's the cleanup part I don't like. Yeah, me either. But I'm your pal, Lamar, and you know I'm going to help you clean up. Because if you don't clean up, Mom's not going to let me come over next time. He's sure right about that. So guys, remember, when you invite someone over for a play date, keep in mind, gonna have to pick up those books, gonna have to pick up those dolls. Yeah, that's another thing I noticed. You don't have any trucks. I forgot to bring my trucks, but we read a lot of books together. That was cool. Yeah, we need to read a lot anyway over the summer before school starts. And we're already in the middle, well, kind of like the beginning of August, going toward the middle of August. And it's good to brush up on your reading. Yeah, I guess you're right. However, boy oh boy, Rosa, one thing I realized is that your room is really pink. Yeah, pink it is. Well, next time when you come over, you're just going to have to bring some trucks. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Well, guys, remember, you got to do what? Clean up. Clean up. Bye.